This cleansing allows people a release from all the junk and clutter that disrupts their ability to use their living and workspaces. My fellow citizens, be sure to thank your stuff before you say bye. Thanks. What? I did. I see you out here doing your thing, sis. Always. Bye. This just in. The movement sweeping the nation has finally gotten itself a name. People are calling this revolutionized way of cleansing the Purge. We'll have more on this later exclusively here on CNN, the colorful news network. We will purge. We will purge. We will purge. We will purge. So you're finally doing this. Okay. Well, let me know if you need help with the rest of your purge. It's cool. I got this. We are here live with artist and purge enthusiast Danielle Kelly, the brains behind this experiment. So tell me, is this political? No, I'm not even sure how it could be. Neither am I, but I've been told to ask. Okay. It is psychological though. Freeing up our visual space naturally distresses us, giving us more mental space. So you see, we must keep that free and purge. Wow. Yes, this season, I will see my floors.
Warning, warning. Announcing the commencement of the first seasonal purge.
Our closets don't care about your sentiment to your freakum dress or all your athletic gear. Actually goes to my knees. Or your collection of DVDs and baby teeth. Hell, that's what they fell out for anyways. Those are tags.
At the siren, all clutter, including plastic bags and junk drawers, will be cleansed.
Now there's a lot of good stuff we're gonna protect here.
All bargaining and swap meets are now suspended.
Now prepare yourself for anything. What the hell? Nobody's coming to help me. Stay strong. I'm on my way. The hell are you screaming for? Take that damn mask off and put it in a donation pile. Quit playing. Now, we have work to do. The hell is wrong with these people in this house? told you to prepare yourself for anything. Is this prepared? Does this look prepared?
You gotta do this.
Yeah.
Yes.
It is psychological. Clearing. Oh, I forgot the line. Okay. Okay. That should.
And action.
We have just learned that something has happened, and I forgot the line.